central banks currently issue the money in a country. It's called fiat currency and it's sovereign backed. So in South Africa it's rands, and rands can be represented by a balance in your bank account or can be represented by cash, notes and coins. And who produces notes and coins? Central banks. They have a mint and they take responsibility for issuing the currency of a country. With the advent of digital and digital money, it was just a matter of time before central banks migrated to the step of, instead of printing physical currency, they produce and manage the digital currency of a country. That has become a reality today. China has issued its central bank digital currency, and several other countries have followed suit, with the rest following swiftly along. And because it's going to have such a big impact on the way banking is done, the banks and central banks of the world are working together to figure out what this means from a compliance point of view, from an operational point of view, from a regulatory perspective, and organizations like the Bank of International Settlements, World Bank, IMF, etc., and the biggest central banks around the world, including the European Central Bank, all collaborating to come up with the answers to these questions. But one thing is for sure, it's going to have a significant impact on the cost of doing business, on financial inclusion, and on the way banking is done. But what we need to do is we need to prepare now and lay the foundation for an interoperable central bank digital currency. And a global initiative needs to take place now to come up with that global standard and to roll that out, so that as central banks around the world start to roll out this digital currency, or as private companies start to issue stable coins that represent currency in a country, as that gets rolled out, we need to lay the foundation for this to be done in a way that's interoperable and also that brings trust to the use of central bank digital currency. And for us is at the cutting edge of solving that very problem. CBDC solves a lot of problems, but it needs a couple of things to be solved for it to be able to deliver on its promise, and for us it tackles those.